Are you graduating soon? Are you looking for a job? Are you not sure what your plans are right now? Have you considered an apprenticeship program? It's a work-learning opportunity that allows you to work directly with and shadow professionals and start to grow your career, all while getting paid. An apprenticeship, like the Made in Henderson County Apprenticeship Program, is a win-win opportunity for both the student and the participating companies. It's an excellent opportunity for the high school graduate that wants to avoid the high cost of college and are looking to start a career in a fast-paced, high-tech work environment. During this 3-semester program, you will have the opportunity to earn money, gain experience, and learn from other professionals. At the same time, you'll be attending classes at Blue Ridge Community College, where there you'll receive helpful training and skills that'll assist you in your career path. Each semester, as you continue to gain more knowledge, your paycheck will increase. The company that you're partnered with will work with you to help build a balanced schedule, incorporating work with learning, and maybe a little fun too.
It helps you get a foot in the door. People will see, if you work hard, you're willing to do what's asked of you. It'll definitely help you move up a lot easier.
Once you've completed the program, you will have earned a Mechatronics Engineering Certificate at no cost. Oh, and a full-time job offer. So what is Mechatronics? It is one of the most highly sought-after certificates and skill sets around. Mechatronics uses technology to combine electronics and mechanical engineering. It's a field of study that includes robotics, computers, and telecommunications. Participating companies will have the opportunity to provide you hands-on training. As a result, you will develop into a future long-term employee with excellent education and work experience. We'll make sure you finish the program ready to advance in your career.
If I could have had the chance to learn from someone personally and going to school to get a certificate and be offered full-time, it would have been phenomenal. I wouldn't have hesitated to take that job opportunity.
Advanced manufacturing companies like ours provide our employees great opportunities to grow their careers, all while receiving competitive wages. On average, advanced manufacturing employees earn $20,000 more than those working in healthcare, agriculture, food service, retail, or construction.
You get a certificate for going to college that's paid for. You get to start working, make a whole week's paycheck while going to school. Because when you get out and you got a certificate, that's just going to open more doors in the future for you.
We would like to invite you to take a look at the new Made in Henderson County Apprenticeship Program. We think you will agree this is a great opportunity to gain very relevant experience that will help jumpstart your career, secure a full-time job, and get a great education.
I would have loved to have been able to get an apprenticeship when I was in high school and be able to start a career somewhere straight away as soon as I left high school. It would have saved me a lot of time and a lot of money now, and I'd be a lot further forward to where I'd want to be if I could have done that.
This is more than just a job. This is an investment in your future, and the payback begins immediately.